Hi all, welcome to the most demanding automation course in IT industry. I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor, and my channel name is Gunjan Gupta Official. I am having 8 plus years of experience in software testing. Let's start with our course. What I am going to cover in this lecture is what is manual testing, what is automation testing, and difference between manual testing and automation testing. So, manual testing. Manual testing is a type of software testing in which test cases are executed manually by a tester. It means it is a part of software testing in which all the test cases are executed manually by human intervention. The purpose of manual testing is to identify the bugs, issues, defect in software application. So it means what is the goal or agenda of manual testing is to identify if there is any error, bug, issue, defect in our software or application. Manual testing is a technique to test the software that is carried out using the functions and features of an application. First, we need to test that the application which we have to test have the proper functionality and features which we are like for which we have given a walkthrough of. Okay, all the requirement documents we have, so main functionality and features are there or not. First we have to check it. So we are testing the software using that functions and features of that application. Manual testing is also time consuming for repetitive test or similar scenario. Same thing we will be doing multiple times, like login, navigating to home page, and then we will be clicking on the specific page. So it is time consuming because similar action we are doing multiple times. Manual testing is a type of testing that involves validation of the requirement of an application. Means we have to give checkpoint at specific places, and we have to test that this functionality is working properly or not. If we do not click on any button, then error message is coming or not. Different scenarios. As per the validation, we have to check every scenarios which is given in our test case. Automation testing. Automation testing is a software testing technique that automates the process of validating the functionality of the software and ensure that it meets the requirement before being released into a production. It means that it is also a type of or a part of software testing technique that automates the process of validating. It is we have to validate the functionality of the software, but it is automated process and ensure that it meets the requirement before we release into production. Okay, now automation testing is a software testing technique that uses automated tools. It uses automated tools to execute the test and compare the actual and expected test and generate reports. So we will be using some automated tools, and there where what we do, we just check the actual and expected results are matching or not, and then we generate the report. Automation testing aims to increase the speed and efficiency of the testing process while improving result accuracy and reliability. It means you will increase the speed because it is a computer, it automatically everything is running. So surely the speed will increase and efficiency of testing that process with improving results because accuracy will be there because it is a computer who is running the full execution of the that process it is running. Accuracy will be more. And automation testing is a process of using software tool to automate the execution of test cases. So all the test cases can be executed using that automation tool. So differences between the manual testing and automation testing. In manual testing, parallel execution. So parallel execution can be done, but it will require a team or more than two people, or two people at least it require. Okay, so different operating system we can use, different browsers also we can use to do a parallel execution. So it will be expensive. And in automation testing, this can be performed on different operating systems parallelly, and it also reduce the test execution time. Only one person is required to hit that job, and that can be performed. In manual testing, accuracy is it always depend upon the person who is testing, upon his skills, upon his experience. But in automation testing, it is more, as there's like no human is there, and always it follow a predefined set of rules and regulations. In manual testing, it requires human resource and is time consuming, so speed is slow. But in automation testing, the speed is faster than manual, as no human intervention required. For test coverage, the how many test cases you have executed properly, and that depends. Okay, so it is difficult to ensure the sufficient test coverage is there in manual testing, but in test coverage in automation testing are greater than manual testing, and very easy to ensure that. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel Gunjan Gupta Official, and like and do share. And if you have any question, please comment. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.